Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the right needle and thread weight for your fabric. This matters because tension and hole size affect durability. Once you have fabric layers squared, bring thread through from the underside and leave a 1/2-inch tail. Make 3 small backstitches or a short secure knot through the batting to anchor. This prevents the start from pulling out. After anchoring, take your first even running stitch about 1/4 inch from the edge. This sets rhythm and line for the rest of your quilting. Once you have rhythm, focus on consistent stitch length and even tension because variation alters quilt drape and quilt density. Guide the fabric with both hands, one hand ahead to feed, the other supporting behind to keep stitches uniform. When you reach turns or intersections, slow down and pivot the fabric gently while maintaining stitch spacing. This prevents bunching. If your thread twists or knots, stop and rethread to avoid skipped stitches. Make sure to check the underside occasionally. To finish, stitch to the last plan point and make 3 or 4 tiny backstitches to lock the thread. You can also bury the tail by feeding the needle between layers for a clean finish. Cut close to the fabric, leaving a short tail that won't catch. Once done, press lightly from the top. If you notice puckering or uneven feed, release a little tension, reevaluate your batting loft, and restitch a short correction area. This troubleshooting tip usually restores flat. Even quilting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.